Hey everybody, it's Phil Slocum again. And in this part of my series of an introduction to the National Park Service ArcGIS Online for Organizations video series, this is just an overview of the how-to videos and how you might be able to combine these for complex workflows. So a little housekeeping here: neither the National Park Service nor NC State University endorses or recommends any commercial products, processes, or services. This material may not be used for advertising or product endorsement purposes. This material is intended for educational purposes only. Neither the U.S. government nor NC State University warrants or assumes any legal liability or responsibility for the accuracy, completeness, or usefulness of any information, apparatus, product, or process disclosed. Okay, how-to videos. I've got a lot of them in here. You've seen them on my channel and through the Park Service portal that we have. The videos, an overview of using them, navigating the interface, creating feature services through ArcMap or through shapefiles, creating custom creating web maps, customizing informational pop-ups, customizing the web map display, creating web apps through the configurable templates or the web app builder that allows for more flexibility, sharing your content, and the ArcGIS Online help and e-learning activities that you can use. So these videos are targeted, and again, if you don't have an account, you can simply log in to nps.maps.arcgis.com, sign in with your National Park Service account, and an account will be created for you based on your PIV card. It may take some time for that to circle through, just like when you change your password on Bison Connect. All right. Well, let's say all these videos are targeted for a specific thing. But what if you have a complex workflow? For example, which ones do I need? Well, let's say that you want to create an application for people to take in the field on their mobile device, or maybe use in the office through a web browser, that allows them to just view the assets within the park. I created a video throughout this series, or I created a web app throughout this series, where it is the kilometer markers and the trails and the park, the Colonial National Historical Park boundary. I want to make that available to everybody in my park that has an account. So the first thing I would probably want to do is start with creating a feature service video, creating the feature services. And you have a choice, ArcMap or uploading shapefiles. Well, if you know ArcMap and you use ArcMap, I would go that route because it makes it easier to follow on with me creating a web map. And then if I've done all the tricks and techniques in creating my map document and sharing it as a service, most likely my informational pop-ups are going to be the way I want them. So I might be able to skip that one. If not, go back and revisit that. But then you would customize your web map display. Now, since I use the ArcMap method, then maybe all I need to do is reorder my layers or rename those layers. And that's in that video of customizing the web map display. Then, since I want to control the user's ability to interact here, I'm going to use the creating web apps, and I'm going to use either the configurable templates or the web app builder, which allows me to define the functionality of the actual application. And finally, choosing that video of sharing your content with others. That's really all it is to it. So these are really targeted. They're about 10 to 12 minutes in length, so not very long. But please take advantage of them. And if you need additional resources, please do check out the ArcGIS Online help and video that also talks about the e-learning opportunities you have to take Esri online courses through the National Park Service. All right, thanks a lot. Dive into this software. It's got a lot that it can offer to you. And again, to create that account, if you don't already have it, just go to nps.maps.arcgis.com. Log in with your National Park Service account. It'll read your PIV card, push in your credentials through your personal code. Wait a little while and you will get an account through ArcGIS Online. All right, I hope you have found these all very beneficial. Happy work with ArcGIS Online, and do some great things. Have a good day.